All right, last you're going to do one completely on your own. So you're going to draw an open number line and add up to find 872 minus 657. You could have done it above here or below here. I think I have more room here, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to draw my number line. Oops, there goes that. Doesn't need to be perfect. Oh, that looks real pretty. All right, so I have my number line. Because I'm adding up to find 872, I need to start at 657. So that's what I'm going to put here is 657 because that's the number I'm starting with. And then I need to get to 872. So I'm going to put that down here. All right, so now we're going to start with our hundreds. So if I add 100 to 657, that gives me 757. That is not over 872, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add 100. So I'm going to add my little jump plus 100. And that gives me 757. If I add another 100, that takes me to 857. That still does not take me over 872, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So another big jump, adding 100. So we have 757 plus 100 is 857. Now if I add another 100, that takes me to 957, and that's over 872, so we cannot add another 100. So now we're going to start adding tens. 857 plus 10 is 867. That does not take us over 872, so that's what we're going to do next, is add 10. $857 plus 10 is 867. Now if we do 867 plus 10, that's going to take us to 877, and that is over 872. So we're not going to add 10. So we need to figure out how many ones it's going to take us to get to 872. So 867 to get to 870 is plus 3. So let's go ahead and add 3. And that'll get us to 870. And then this is a big hop, even though it doesn't need to be. But we have 870 to get under to 872. We need to add 2. So that's a big hop, even though we don't need it. That's okay. That's just 2. So now we have 657 to 872, and we need to add up all of these numbers. So we're going to add 100 plus 100. Then we have to add 10. Then 3 plus 2. And that's going to give us our answer. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 10 is 210. 210 plus 3 is 213, and 213 plus 2 is 215. So our answer is 215. That means that 872 minus 657 equals 215.